Fire that baby up! Man, that was all registered, wasn't that? Hello all. Everyone. Where are you pointing? Right there! At you. I'm pointing at that pimple on your face. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bring it out because I have one on my own. Stop it! We're very good friends, and you know what keeps us good friends is to know the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good, the bad, and the good and the bad.
So mean.
I'm sorry. Dagnabbit Leroy Jenkins. What was I saying? Words. Oh yes. The value of a friendship. See, now what you need to know is...
This is actually a tutorial video, how to keep your friends around. You should probably listen to me.
Hey, one good thing about Devin. Let's see. There are so many to choose from.
Oh, don't flatter me.
Okay. There's only one. I'm just kidding. What do you want from me? You also need to acknowledge the bad things. It's healthy, right? Yeah, I'd say it's healthy. I'm not very healthy myself. But it's healthy for a relationship of best frienditude. Best frienditude. That is a word. It's a real word.
Best friend.
Look it up. We're trying to help our relationship as best friends.
It's like marriage counseling, but not.
We don't need counseling, do we?
What?
Shut up! Are you okay?
Gosh, you're so good.
Well, hate is a strong
Floss?
word.
Floss.
She hates floss about me.
I do. She does it frequently. It's not even very tactful. It's
Okay, tact is just like a completely different thing. You can't lump two bad things into one. She broke the rules.
I didn't break the rules.
She broke them.
I didn't. You're just mad.
Cheater.
It's okay, I love you.
Okay. Cheater. The thing that makes Devin annoying. No. That was just the thing. Strike that from the record.
Cheater.
Strike it. The thing I don't like about
Cheater.
Devin. The thing I don't like about Devin is that she keeps on drinking my drink and I keep telling her not to.
Well, that was your bad thing.
No.
Anyway.
Amanda has the speaking baton. So, I guess I'll torture you by watching... I guess she won't be poisoning me after all. Ow.